Top 10 German food. Let's see. Curious yourself. Let me cry. Number 10. Let's see. Malta. 9. Maltese. Dog. French fries. Number 5. Yes, let's see. Frankfurt am Main. Airport. Number 8. Let's see. Danone. Danonino yogurt. Let's see. Brandenburst. 7. Brandenburst famous beer. Let's see. Miroslav Klose. Number 6. Come on. Smart Anten. Smart Anten number 3. Let's see. Arnold Schwarzenegger number 2. Number 1 is Schweinsteiger, of course.